Hello students, let us try to understand postulates of vsepr theory student. The shape of molecule is determined by repulsion between all the electrons pair present in the valence shell. So this is what about the shape of molecule related to repulsion. The electron pairs try to stay as far apart as possible to acquire a state of minimum energy or maximum stability. So what the molecules are trying to do, student, to acquire the minimum energy and maximum energy stability. So lesser the energy, higher the stability, student. The electron left in the valence shell without forming bond exists as lone pair in the valence shell. Electron pair tend to repel one another because electrons are negatively charged. So they are trying to repel one another, student. Electron pair tend to repel one another because electrons are negatively charged. Second point, a lone pair electron takes up more space around the central atom than a bond pair. Since the lone pair is attracted to one nucleus while the bond pair is shared by the two nucleus. It follows the repulsion between the two lone pair is greater than the repulsion between a lone pair and a bond pair, which in turn is greater than the repulsion between the two bond pair. The repulsive interactions decreases in the order. So lone pair, highest repulsion. Lone pair, bond pair, then the bond pair, bond pair. In the presence of the lone pair on the central atom, cause slight distortion of the bond angle from the ideal shape, student, right? Now student, let us see the third postulate. If the angle between a lone pair, the central atom and the bond pair is increased, it follows that the actual bond angle between the atoms must be decreased. है ना? That is, if the angle between the lone pair, the central atom and bond pair is increased, it follows that the actual bond angle between the atom must be decreased. The magnitude of the repulsion between bonding pair of electrons depend on the electronegativity difference between the central atom and the bond central atom and the other atom. This is what is the point, student. So that is magnitude of repulsion between bond pair of electron depends on the electronegativity difference between the central atom and the other atom. Double bond caused more repulsion than the single bond, and the triple bond cause more repulsion than the double bond. See the point, it's a very important point, student. Double bond cause more repulsion than single bond, triple bond cause more repulsion than the double bond. Repulsive force decreases sharply with increasing the bond angle between the electron pair. They are strong at 90 degree, weaker 120, and the weakest 180 degree. Shape of molecules on the vsepr theory. In this theory, no distinction is made between the s and p electron. We take into account only the number of electron pair present in the valence shell of the central atom. If all the valence shell electron pairs vsepr are bond pair, the shape of the molecule will be regular. But if there is one or more lone pair along with the bond pair, the molecule attain distorted geometry. So this is all about the postulates of the vsepr theory, student. Thank you so much for watching.